my name is Miss Sophia, and today I will be teaching you how to add mixed numbers to fractions. So, the problem I will be demonstrating today will be 5 1/10 plus 1/10. This is very simple. I'm telling you, there's hardly anything to it. So, I like to split this up into two different sections. So the first thing I do is I like to add the fractions first. So let's do that. Let's do that down here. 1/10 plus 1/10 is, well, 1 plus 1 is 2, and you don't have to add the denominator, so it would be 2/10. Because when multiplying and dividing fractions, the denominators do change. But when adding, the denominators do not change. The numerators, you add the numerators. And to add fractions, the denominators must be they must have a common denominator. They must be the same. So if it was 1/10 and 1/5, you would have to convert the 1/5 into tenths, which would be 2/10. I will show you that problem next. So this is technically correct, but again, we have to put it into simplest form. So equals 2. So what is the greatest common factor? Well, over here, let's write the factors. 2 and 10. 2 is 1 and 2. 10 is 1, 2, 5, and 10. Now, the greatest common factor that these numbers both have is 2. So, down here, we're going to divide both numbers by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Therefore, the answer to 1/10 plus 1/10 is 1/5. So, now that we have that done, we're going to bring down this 5, and we're going to add it. So, 5 plus 1/5. Now, all you really have to do at this point is just put the number together like this. Just close that little gap, remove the addition sign, and you have the answer. Or if you want to do it, that's how you do it, really. Yeah, so let's go do another problem that's a little more complicated. So I'm going to look through the problems that I have here. And I'm going to show you 4 1/5 plus 2 1/10. Okay, so the first thing you have to do right off the bat, well, the first thing I like to do right off the bat is I like to remove the fractions from the whole numbers. Okay. Whew, now that we've got that done, we're going to add them down here. So, you can just lift the whole numbers up and scratch out this problem. 2 and 4. Okay. So, you cannot add 1/5 to 1/10. It's not possible unless you convert them. So, to convert 1/5, how do you get 10 from 5? You multiply it by 2. So 5 times 2 is 10. Therefore, what you do to the denominator, you must do to the numerator. So 2 times 1 is 2. Then you can add that to 1/10, and you have 3/10. Now, we're not done yet, because we have to come up here and add the whole numbers. So I hope you know basic additions. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay. Now we're going to bring these two numbers here together. 6 plus 3/10. Now, 3/10 cannot be simplified, so we're good there. Now, equals, all we have to do is remove the gap and this addition sign, and we have 6 3/10. There you have your answer. I hope this helped you, and come again soon.